Welcome to your YouTube News Roundup, where we dive into some of the latest headlines shaping the world of Tesla and beyond. A recent report is challenging the assumption that Tesla's gigacasting technologies make repairs more complicated and expensive, actually revealing that these massive single-piece castings can simplify both assembly and collision repair, saving owners up to $2,700 in some cases. The Tesla Cybertruck continues to grab headlines with its distinctive angular design, but real-world driving range falls short of the company's claims, fueling range anxiety and contributing to market uncertainty, especially as resale values drop and recalls persist. In a shocking incident, authorities discovered the decomposed and dismembered remains of an unidentified woman in the trunk of a Tesla registered to 20-year-old musician D4VD, as police continue investigating the grim Hollywood case while the singer remains on tour. Adding to Tesla's tumultuous week, the company faces a class action lawsuit in San Francisco federal court, with plaintiffs alleging that Tesla discriminated against U.S. citizens by favoring H-1B visa holders for tech jobs, which the lawsuit claims is a form of wage theft. From manufacturing innovations and market challenges to legal battles and criminal investigations, Tesla continues to redefine the auto industry, but not without controversy or surprise. What are your thoughts on these Tesla stories? Are they game-changing advancements, cautionary tales, or something else entirely? Be sure to hit like, share your opinions in the comments, and subscribe for more in-depth tech and news updates every week.